Hello students, this is Jasveer Kaur, your social science teacher as well as your class teacher also. Going to teach you about your history part, I think 7th part of your history chapter number 1, that is French Revolution. Regarding French Revolution we are going to study, and we are towards the end of this chapter. I ask you people that you want to change your branch of learning. In between we can start the geography or civics, but nobody told about that, so that's why I have continued your this topic only, French Revolution history. We are towards the end. Within 1 or 2 lectures we would reach to the target, mean to say French Revolution would be over very soon. And whatsoever I am teaching you, gave you some headlines, some points that all are important. Accordingly you have to prepare. Daily whatsoever I am teaching you, you have to note down. But then also if you face problem, I will try to give you some pics of my own prepared notes, right, so that you may write down and learn those things. But it will take some time. Please, you have to wait accordingly. Okay. In my previous lecture, we have studied about the execution of the king and his queen also have to go through the same fate. And I put one question to you people. You have to tell the name of that queen. Louis XVI's wife's name you have to tell me, right? I'll have one online class. On the next, we'll do that online discussion also there, so that you may somewhat face-to-face interaction with me. Accordingly, you can learn that. And today we are going to study about Reign of Terror. Okay, major events or terms. There I included this topic, right? And then we'll see Directory Rule. Just before that, what happened that France abolished monarchy and established a democratic republic, right? Democratic republic. Till then, I have full faith you have understood, right? You have understood whatsoever I have taught. And after that, what happened? Anyone should be there for the people, for the citizen to govern. The citizens are to be governed by any ruler, right? Earlier there was Louis XVI. Now Louis XVI is not there. That is executed by the citizens on January 1789, that was French Revolution, and 1793 approximately. Now there is the time period, that time period from 1793 to 94, approximately 1 year time period is known as Reign of Terror. Right? One more question is there, optional question, MCQs or true and false, anywhere, any way I can ask. The Reign of Terror was time period 93 and 94. It is true. Which period was there? Right? Accordingly, different modes of questions can be asked upon that. And when this France abolished monarchy and established this, anyone should be there that can govern the citizens. And Robespierre, I told you, Maximin Robespierre was the leader of Jacobian. And who were the Jacobians that I discussed in my previous video? Jacobians, not very prosperous section of the society. They were somewhat less prosperous, but they favored the third estate for raising the revolution against Louis XVI, and somehow they were succeeded also. And they have made their different way of dressings, it's sansclatons, knee breeches, so that they can look different than the others, while their revolution, and their role can be identified by the common citizen of France. So that's why this Maximum Robespierre was there. Now he is the democratic ruler of France during this time, right? And he made very good reforms in the economy of this one. In the economy of France, he rationed each and every type of shops, mean to say limited कंट्रोल रेट पे, राशन कार्ड की बात सुनी होगी आप लोगों ने, तो कंट्रोल रेट पे सिटीजन्स आर प्रोवाइडेड ईच एंड एवरी टाइप ऑफ material, eating material. Earlier we studied about there was subsistence crisis, no? There was not balance between demand and supply of food. Crisis was there, ना food supplies में demand और supply में correlation नहीं था. अगर फूड डिमांड बहुत ज़्यादा तो सप्लाई नहीं होती थी. तो वीमेन रोल्स में भी हम लोगों ने ये चीज़ डिस्कस की थी. एंड अकॉर्डिंगली नाउ this Jacobean has played very important role for this, and this Jacobean but meat and bread were rationed, ठीक है. और उन्होंने मैक्सिमम लॉ प्लेसिंग, मैक्सिमम सीलिंग ऑन वेजिंग एंड प्राइसेस कर दिया था. पीजेंट्स को ज़्यादातर ये कहा दिया गया था कि ये दे हैव टू सेल देयर फूड ग्रेन्स in the cities and the prices fixed by the government. Earlier all these things were going on very well. They were happy कि ठीक है हमें एक फिक्स रेट मिल रहा है, हमारी राशन शॉप जो है राशन हो गई हैं, people have rights to vote, they can even speak against the policies of the government, right, whatsoever they are not like. But he introduced one device, guillotine, right? That was one device, right? It was very dangerous. Who were considered enemies. Enemies mean to say who are not favoring Jacobean or Maximum Robespierre's policy जो उन्होंने कही है राशन की, फिक्स प्राइस की, right? In this way के you will get right to vote. Whosoever is making somewhat mistake, he is put into prison and गिलोटाइंट, ठीक है. इसका वर्ब बन जाएगा, ही इज गिलोटाइंट कर दिया जाता था. इट इज़ लाइक अ डिवाइस. मैं आपको थोड़ा बताती हूँ. एक डिवाइस होती थी, ये दो पिलर होते हैं, लाइक टू पिलर्स आर देयर, राइट. हियर वन बिग ब्लेड इज देयर, सम इट इज फिक्स्ड हियर एंड वन हैंडल इज इन द बोथ साइड्स, ठीक है. इसके दोनों साइड में हैंडल लगे होते थे. एंड whosoever is guilty, found guilty, किसी भी तरह का कोई क्राइम कर रहा है बंदा, whatsoever citizen over there, he is put here and they used to roll this, right? इसको रोल करते थे यहाँ से, हैंडल की वजह से ऐसे घुमा लेते थे. bring them down and his cut his head, he is beheaded over there, he or she who is the criminal. This is the device like guillotine, okay. So that is beheaded over there. But what happened? It was the luck of France, we can say bad luck of the France. Whosoever comes there rules for some time very accurate and correct way, and afterward it also get fugal, mean to say get spoiled the form of the democracy and being corrupted and want to gain more and more force. We know that there was a huge impact of all these things at the world level also. For some time he was there, but he was surprising to know that now he got somewhat more strict than needed. More strict than needed. He introduced some words also, like earlier there was Monsieur, Madame, right? It converted into sir and madam, right? Citoyens into citizen and citizen into women citizen. So such type of words were changed by him because people are now not happy because earlier there was the revolution whatsoever. They are enjoying their privileges, their traditional system. Now Robespierre have started to break it. It is given on your book, right? Page number I can tell you from book 16 and 17. Page number 16 and 17 I am teaching you. So there all these words are written in that, check spellings from there only, right? So in this way, they were, even the peasants and farmers were forced to sell their crops in the cities only, right? They cannot sell their crops cities and forced to sell it on that fixed price. They cannot sell their crops at village level and according to their own willings, whatsoever prices they wanted they can get. That was not there. They were prohibited. राइट, समझ आ रहा होगा आप लोगों को. उनको ये नहीं था कि अगर दे हैव कॉस्ट, ठीक है, दे हैव ग्रोन एनी वन क्रॉप, दे इट इज़ कॉस्टेड ₹100 पर स्क्वायर किलोमीटर का जो वी कैन से आउटपुट है उस पर सपोज इट इज़ expenditure is ₹100 and they are given only ₹120, right? What would be the profit? No profit. 100 तो उनकी कॉस्ट ही है, प्राइस दे आर गेटिंग 120, only within ₹20. How will they survive? So such type of problems once again seems to be arising in France during this time period. That's why this time period is known as Reign of Terror. The Reign of Terror. बहुत ज़्यादा टेरर था. किस चीज़ का? गिलोटाइन का. बट यू वुड बी हैप्पी एंड सरप्राइज टू नो दैट what device has been invented by this Maximin Robespierre. He himself has to tolerate the same fate. He was guillotined in 1794 by the citizen of French, because now they are more aware. They cannot tolerate this thing for a long time period. They are very much aware and they started opposing such policies. Sir, Madam, Citizen, right? Whatsoever their fixed prices, their crops they cannot grow, cannot sell there. And even these people at that time who earlier were done, the churches were also shut down and their buildings were converted into barracks. They are now so brave and wanted to fight over there. But in this way, this Maximin Robespierre was also guillotined here and everything once again clear, but not ended. Right? France country has to be ruled by anyone. And now there was the rule of directory. Rule of directory, right? So that after 1974, there was rule of directory. What was this directory rule? After this Reign of Terror, France was ruled by directory. Directory, it consists of, like we have parliamentary system, right? It consists of 5 members. Not only one person will rule, 5 members collectively will take decision, make policies, right? So they 5 members were there. They were from French society only. They have to make rules and regulation according to legislature, executive and judiciary, because it was where in the beginning I told you when France becomes republic, ना, France active and passive citizen ये सब कुछ हुआ था. तो at that time it was there legislature, executive and judiciary, 5 members were working. But fortunately or unfortunately it also didn't long lasting. ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं चला था ये लोग, right? Because there was always controversies. Because in democratic republic they have to take decision when 2/3 majority, to say 5 में से 3 members एक side होंगे तो that decision would be taken. Whatsoever these 2 left along with the common estate people and citizen, they always protest against them. And once again, France doesn't want that type of scenario that earlier they have tolerated. Earlier they have to spend that type of time during the time period of Louis XIV, 15, 16, then maximum Robespierre, then this. Now they are very much aware citizen of the France, and they don't want to do exactly same nowadays. Also, what happened when there were different type of conflicts, controversies, right? That further led to the political instability to the country. Why was revolution earlier? There was political instability. Once again, country is standing on the same brink. Citizens were not happy, right? And this 5-member directory once again got failed. And during that time, there is very famous ruler was there, that was Napoleon. ठीक है, मैंने आपको बताया था ना, नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट 1804 नेपोलियनिक कोड 1804. In the terms I told you that it would be there in your chapter, so that at time you may at once understand that what man want to say and want to tell. अब directly rule failed, it gave way to Napoleon Bonaparte because it was too crazy every time. It was his, we can say, he was fond of such type of things. He was a very strong warrior and dictator, right? And he was too eager every time, too eager to rule the different lands of the world. It was adventure for him. He was always waiting to what happens, such like thing will happen in any area of that western. So he will go there, establish his rule and get his crazy things fulfilled. As soon as this got failed, it paved the way to the rise of Napoleon in France. There is question also describe about the rise of Napoleon in France. So Napoleon came there, it implemented its code, right? What was there? It gave the idea of once again equality, liberty and fraternity. Ultimately, people of France wanted this much only. They were raising revolution against Louis XVI for this only. And Napoleon Bonaparte implemented that, give them freedom of press, that is basically known as the backbone of democracy. Napoleon implemented there this freedom of press. Okay? Earlier it was banned there, and then this Napoleon came there in the form of king, and accordingly whatsoever measures, weights, ठीक है, मेजरमेंट के जितने भी तरीके थे, वेट्स के थे, इसमें डेसिमल्स था, करेंसी था, ठीक है, from one border to another border when we cross, currency keeps on changing. Suppose from here we have to go Ludhiana, Amritsar, so 3 times currency we have to get converted into that states. Sometimes it is too much minimized, right? कि वहाँ करेंसी की वैल्यू कम है, तो it needs too much, and every border, while crossing border, we have to get the currency in the same way. That decimal system, suppose there is 9.3, so every time it is to be calculated as it is. Like we make it round off, na 9.3, it would be 9. If it is 9.5, it would be 10. So that system, decimal system, was abolished by Napoleon there in France. Weighing system, their weighing system, their currency system, and freedom of press, such type things were implemented there. So in this way we have studied 3 topics: Reign of Terror, Directory Rule, and Rise of Napoleon in France. right? In this way, this much about for today's. Stay home, stay safe, take care. Don't forget to write these matters on your notebooks. Bye, students.